Hello, 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 everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Patrice, and this is my Embellish Life. In today's episode, I have a fabric haul for you guys. Yes, yes. I haven't done one of those in a while. So I've been shopping at my local fabric store over the past couple of months, and I've got some fabric, and I am so happy to share them with you guys today. So if that's something you're interested in, let's get in it. So, you guys know that I enjoy supporting my local fabric store. And even though they have decreased the amount of fabric that they do provide over the years, and it's now a limited selection, you know what they still do have? I still enjoy going through and purchasing fabric. So the name of the fabric store here in the Virgin Islands is, well, the one that I frequent. It's Clovers, and I love the fabric that they do offer, the limited fabric that they do offer. So over the past couple of months, when I do go in and I see something that I like, I've I've bought it, and I think it's time to show you guys. Yes, and I'm so happy. So let's go. Now, the first fabric that I have that I purchased, and I think I purchased this about a week or two ago. It's this beautiful mustard and white fabric. Oh my goodness. Now, this fabric is cotton lawn, 60 inches wide, and I purchased 3 yards of this fabric. Now, this fabric, for those of you who do not know, when I purchase my fabric, I before I put them into the stash, I would wash, iron, and then label the fabric. So this fabric, I haven't put it, it hasn't been washed as yet. So um, that's something that I'm going to do after this recording, and then label it so I know when I'm ready for it. It's ready to go. Now, for this fabric, I'm currently seeing a wide leg trouser out of this fabric. That's what I'm currently seeing with it. I bought 3 yards, but I honestly think that I'm going to go back and buy 3 more yards because this, I love this fabric. Oh my goodness. I do. So that is the first fabric. The second fabric is also cotton lawn, and it's red with a floral print. Yes, this fabric is also, I think, either 58 or 60 inches. And I also bought 3 yards of it. Now, this fabric in the store, they also have a navy blue version of it. And I think I'm going to go back and purchase 3 yards of the navy blue version of it. I don't currently have any plans for this fabric as yet, but we'll see. I think it might do good with maybe some sort of a wrap dress or a flowy dress. One with the frills and whatever, the ruffles or whatever. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, here it is. So this is another one that hasn't been washed as yet, so it will be going in the wash now that I've shown it. The third fabric, here we go. Also cotton lawn. I told you people, I love me some cotton. I love cotton. This one is also cotton lawn. Yes. And I absolutely love it. Again, I think it's 58 inches wide, and I bought 3 inches of, not 3 inches, I bought 3 yards of it, and I absolutely love it. The light blue background and the floral on top of it, it just has this sort of a chambray effect, the fabric, that I absolutely love. I could see a blouse being made out of this, a blouse or a dress of some sort. I'm not too sure. I don't know what I'm going to do with it as yet. All I knew is that it had to be in my stash. Yes. Now, the fourth fabric I have, I think I purchased it about a month or two ago. So it's already washed. I just haven't labeled it as yet. So therefore, it hasn't been in the stash as yet because it has to be labeled. And it's this printed cotton fabric. Um, this is 45 inches wide. It's from Robert Kaufman, and I think it's either 3 or 4 yards of it. This is what happens when I take too long to label stuff. Now I have to go back and measure the darn thing, but I think it's either 3 or 4 yards. Um, Definitely not under three. So when I purchased this, I had an idea to make a dress of some sort, but now that I'm looking at it again, I think I might just put it in my quilting stash and use it as a backing for a quilt. Yeah, I'm not too sure about this fabric as yet, but I'm leaning towards putting it in my quilting stash. Now, the fifth fabric that I got. This one, I purchased it. Ooh, let's see. And it's all white, so it's blowing out everything. This fabric is actually, when in my first video of Project Resort Chic, I spoke about the two fabrics that I was looking at, the crinkle cotton, and then I told you guys that I was going back to get another type of the eyelet fabric that was meant to come in the following week, or the end of the week that I was recording. Well, this is it. Um, yes, let's see if you can see it. Yes, so I absolutely love this fabric. Of course, by now, if you've watched the results of Project Runway Chic, Resort Chic, sorry, you'd have seen that I've chosen the crinkle cotton. But this fabric, I selected it because I just figured the leaves on the fabric, would have gone with the dress code of resort chic, and that's why I got it. But I didn't use it again. I ended up using the crinkle cotton. But I can honestly see this fabric being into some sort of dress with a lining underneath. I'm not sure of the dresses yet. It just might be, Vogue 1883. I think that's the pattern. One of those patterns that I selected originally for, Project Resort Chic. It might just end up being one of those. So yes, this fabric is also 58 inches wide, and there's 4 yards of this fabric. This has already been washed. I just need to label it so I don't forget. The other fabric, and I'm not sure whether or not I showed you guys this fabric before because I bought it about 2 months ago. So I'm not sure whether or not I showed you guys the fabric. If I have, great. If I haven't, here it is. And it's this seersucker fabric. Ooh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. With a pineapple print. Love it. And as you can see, it's already been washed and prepared. So it's already been labeled. Yes, this excellent seersucker fabric. So it's 60 inches wide, and I bought 3 yards of it. Now, originally, when I bought this, I was going to make a baby doll dress of some sort. One of my missions this summer was to find a happy medium with baby doll dresses, which I have accomplished. Yes, 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 yes. And it's all here in, I think it's episode 2021, one of those episodes. Love it. But this fabric was originally for a baby doll dress. I still think I might use it for such. I'm not sure as yet, but is here, and we'll see. Now, the final fabric that I purchased, and I purchased this recently as well. I think about a month ago. Yes. Whew. Love it, love it. I love nautical themes. I love it. I have its cotton, and you have the anchors of blue and red. I bought, it's 58 inches wide, and I bought 3 yards. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it as yet. I can envision a t-shirt dress of some sort. Yeah, or even, a button-down shirt of some sort with a collar. I'm not sure as yet, but I have it. I have it. Oh my goodness. And I'm so excited for it to be in my stash. So that is all the recent fabric that I've purchased, all from my local fabric store, Clovers, here in the Virgin Islands. Before I go, I just want to share with you quick my um, latest project that I am going to sew up before I embark in my office wardrobe sewing. And it is New Look 6262. Yes. And the view that I'm thinking about doing currently is either views A or view D. Now, this is a fit and flare dress. You guys know that I love my fit and flare dress. And I figured that I will sew this dress up because it has come to my attention that I haven't sewn anything for church in quite a long time. This summer, I threw caution to the wind and I was just sewing whatever I felt like it. And I'm glad that I made that decision. Reason being, summer is a time that I don't sew jack. So the fact that I just threw caution to the wind and sewed whatever I felt like it, I felt so accomplished because I was productive. Yes. So I said, okay, let me sew up something for church, and I figured 6262 is the perfect dress for that. Now, the fabric that I have, and I showed you guys this fabric before, is this it's a light pink, it's a rose pink. It's kind of blowing out. Um, Cotton lawn, but it also has, the Swiss dots on it. Yes. And I purchased this fabric from Cali Fabrics, 58 inches, and it's 3 yards. So with this, I am going to line it with this rose gold cotton fabric. Yes. And this, I purchased it from also, no, not Cali Fabric. This was purchased from Fabric Wholesale Direct, and it's 4 yards. It's broadcloth, rose gold, 4 yards. This is why I like my labels. So I know. I know. I don't have to guess. I know. So, yes. Originally, when I bought this fabric, when I bought these two fabrics, because I knew that they were always going to be paired together, the original plan was to make, I think it's the uni dress from Vicky Souls. That was the original plan. But plans change and we're going to roll with it. So that's my current sewing project that I'm hoping to do over the weekend. And I'll keep you guys updated on it, okay? All right, lovies, that is all that I have today to share with you. I hope you enjoyed the pattern haul and also my future sewing plans. Yes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let's get the chat going on. Yes, 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 yes. Also, follow me on Instagram to keep up with my other crafting shenanigans and whatever tickles my fancy, okay? I hope you have a lovely day. Enjoy the rest of your week. Think lovely thoughts. Keep on smiling and always remember to make beautiful and wonderful things. All right, lovies, I'm out of here. Bye.